Okay, today we have two kids trying to unhandcuff each other because yesterday we bought 9 handcuffs, $7 each, and we're seeing if they can get out of it.
Are you starting?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have to undo every single one?
No.
I'm done. Yeah, we do.
Little girl, you're just messing up JV even more.
Is he just trying to undo it? I have 3/4 of the handcuffs right here.
You actually have all the handcuffs?
I had 5 attached to my wrists.
Yeah, you just pick them off first.
Yeah, I'm quick at it. I'm slow at it.
I'm putting music through this.
Ow!
Boom.
What was that? Lucas!
I want a whoopee cushion when you're too cheap to buy. You're too cheap to buy special effects. But 9 handcuffs.
Are we done yet? With my eyes, I'm starting to see only black.
Well, isn't that a good thing?
Huh?
Isn't that a good thing now that you're blindfolded?
Yeah, but now I'm gonna open my eyes when I take this off. Sponsored by Cake by Frank, and these are a few of the items. These are white chocolate drops, cookies and cream chocolate bar, Oreo brownie blondie, strawberry cereal pearls, milk chocolate cereal pearls, dark chocolate or milk chocolate bar, another white chocolate drops, and flavored marshmallows.
My favorite are the milk chocolate cereal pearls.
My favorite are the flavored marshmallows.
Mine are the white chocolate drops.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.